Good evening, all. Thank you for joining in today's session, which is the Emotional Freedom Accelerator program. Glad you're here, taking time out of your busy schedule and being there for your own self. So give a tap to your own self and saying thank you. Take your own name and say thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up. Yeah,
Good.
awesome. So all of you be on mute. And while I explain this exercise, just like to know anybody who is new to EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, just raise your hand if you're new to EFT. Emotional, new, okay. Okay, anybody else? Or we're all aware about EFT? What about you, Anita? Sorry, Mati? Okay. So I'll take you through a different exercise today, which is a Ho'oponopono exercise. But before that, I'd like to understand from you as to which area of your life you think needs the most attention in. Yeah, it could be, and put it in the chat box and tell me which area of your life you really, really want to work in the next 15 days for. Yeah, let's focus and choose one area so that we can work on it and focus on it for the next 15 days. Yeah, it could be career or business. It could be your relationships with self, or it could be relationship with others. It could also be your health. Yeah, it could also be your money area, that is financial area. Or is it your friendships? Is that the area that you want to work on? So put it in the chat box and let me know which is the area that I want to work on. So let's understand which area we want to work on. Okay. Career, career plus anger, relationships, health. Okay. All right. Anybody else wants to share which area do you want to focus on in the next 15 days? Yeah. And while we're focusing on this area, while you're thinking about this situation in your career, while you're thinking about the situation in your relationships or your health area, what is the emotion that you are feeling? What are the feelings that you're going through? Just think about it and tell me, what is the emotion? Are you feeling angry? Are you feeling frustrated? Are you feeling judged? Are you feeling guilty? What are you feeling? Put it in the chat box and give it an intensity from 0 to 10. So when you say 10, 10 being very stressful, very anxious, and 0 being feeling free and happy and relaxed. So if you were to give an intensity to that emotion, what would that be? 0 to 10. So frustration and guilt, 9. Okay. Sadness, what's the intensity, Sunita? Also frustration. 6. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And frustrated and judged, they've seen now what's the intensity? 7. Okay. Anybody else would like to share what are you feeling because of this situation that you're going through? Put it in the chat box and let me know. Give it an intensity, a number to it. Anger issue, frustration regarding job, 7. Okay. All right. So now we at least know what we want to solve, right? We at least know what we want to heal, right? Okay. So let's move on to the next step now. So now that we know that we want to focus on our career or your health or your relationships, and this is the emotion that we want to heal. So right now, as you're thinking about this, you are actually feeling an anger of 9. You're actually feeling a sadness of 6, 7, frustration of 7. Yeah. So do you want to heal? Do you want to heal that? Raise your hand if you want to heal that. Yeah. Awesome. So by end of the session, we'll focus on healing that emotion. So when you think of it at the end of the session, that emotion, that feeling will kind of go away. Yeah. Are you ready for that? Awesome. So I want you to now take this exercise as an exercise, uh, thinking about your parents. Yeah, I want you to think of your parents at this point in time. And as you're thinking of it, thinking of them, it could be your mother, it could be your father, even if they're alive or not there. I want you to still think of them right now. And I want you to, process or write down, take a pen and paper right now and tell me what all thoughts are you having towards your parents? What all thoughts are you having towards your mother or your father with regards to any complaints that you have for them? Take a pen and paper and write it down. Or the or you blame your mother, you blame your father for whatever is happening in your life. A lot of us do that, right? A lot of us think that everything that's happening in my life is because of my mom. Everything that's happening in my career is because of my father. Yeah. So I want you to write down what all complaints you're having towards your parents and just write it down on a piece of paper. If my father would have done this, I would have been a better person. If my mom would have taken this decision, I would have been in a different place right now. So I want you to write down all the complaints that you have towards your parents. And once you've written down, type in done in the chat box. Done. Okay. I'll give you 2 minutes only. Write it down quickly, and then we're going to start with the exercise. Okay, they've seen are done. Last 1 minute. Okay, Pankaj done. Last 30 seconds. Done. Deepak done. And keep your cameras on and come with me so that I can guide you throughout this exercise. Okay. Last 10 seconds. And with whatever you have written on the paper, let's try and heal this. Are we ready to heal this? Yeah? Ready to heal this? Okay. So I want you to put your hands on your heart, a right hand on your heart. And I want you to close your eyes. Promise me you'll close your eyes. And whatever I ask you to visualize, you will put your head up, chin up, and you will try and visualize that person. And you will try and remember certain situations, certain words, and visualize, and you will try and feel that. And if tears come out, if you feel emotional, let it flow. Yeah. Anything that is suppressed inside, let it come out. Yeah. That's the first sign of letting go. Yeah. I want you to now close your eyes, hands on your heart, head up, chin up. Not too much, little bit, not too much. Yeah. And I want you to now visualize and imagine your mom's face in front of you. Imagine she's just standing in front of you. Look into her eyes. And I want you to say these words to her loudly. I'm sorry, mom. If you want, you can even use your native language, whatever language you are comfortable in. Speak to her and say, I'm sorry, mom. I'm sorry for hurting you, for not understanding you. You have gone through a lot of situations in the past in your life. I was not able to relate to that. Please forgive me for taking you for granted. And remember, and all the times that you have taken your mom for granted. Please forgive me for the words I have used with you. And what all words you have used with her, which have hurt her. Say sorry and say, please forgive me. Please forgive me for not understanding you deeply, for not connecting with you many a times in my life. Thank you, mom, for taking care of me all these years. Thank you for all the love that you have shown upon me. Thank you for accepting me even when I have hated myself. And I want you to remember those times where you really hated yourself, but your mom accepted you. Say, I love you, mom. Though I did not tell you many a times, but I want to tell you today that I really love you. Thank you for all the sacrifices you have done for me. Once again, say, I'm sorry. Say it loudly, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now just maybe kind of move her face towards the side like that. Take a deep breath, inhale and release. Release through your mouth and your sound. I want you to now bring your father's face in front of you. Imagine your father's face in front of you. Look into his eyes. And say these statements after me. I'm sorry, Papa, or whichever language you call him. I'm sorry for not understanding you. Sorry for taking you for granted many a times in my life. And remember so many times that you have taken him for granted. Remember that and say sorry. I'm sorry for not respecting you. Please forgive me for the times that I have said hurtful words with you. And I want you to remember the times that you have said hurtful words to him. Please forgive me. Thank you for taking care of me all these years. Thank you for being with me even when I didn't want to be with myself. Hasn't there been times where you were not comfortable with yourself, but your father came and stood by you and say, thank you. Thank you, Papa. I love you for giving me a chance to heal this relationship. I love you for being my father. Say one last time, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a deep breath. Inhale, release. Inhale, hold, and release. Release it through your mouth and your sound. And you can maybe take his face at the side. And I want you to now think of that person whom you be with most of the times. Who's that person? Our own selves, isn't it? So I want you to see yourself now in front of you, your own face. Imagine that. I want you to imagine your own face and look into your own eyes and say, I'm sorry. Take your own name. I'm sorry, Sneha. I will take my own name. You will take your own name. I'm sorry, Sneha, for underestimating you many a times. I'm sorry, Sneha, for not listening to you. When my gut feeling said, do this, I did not listen. I'm sorry for that. And remember all the times where you did not listen to your own self. I'm sorry for letting you be in this situation right now. Please forgive me. Take your own name. Say, please forgive me, Sneha, for not trusting in you, for not accepting you the way you are. And remember all the times where you've not accepted your own self. You've criticized your own self. And I want you to now give a hug to your own self, like hands on your shoulders, like this. Maybe your head on your shoulders. And I want you to give a nice hug to your own self and say, I love you. Like, take your own name and say, I love you. Thank you for this opportunity for connecting with myself. And you will realize that you were waiting for your own connection, isn't it? You were waiting for your own love. And say, I promise to you, Sneha, take your own name, that from now on, I will not leave you alone. Do you promise? Do you promise yourself? Say one last time, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I want you to now take a deep breath. Inhale once again. Hold. Hold your breath and release. Rub your hands, rub your palms. And I want you to put that energy on your eyes, your head, your face, shoulders, your neck, your heart area. And put a smile on your face. And once you're comfortable, you can come back. Now tell me, how are you feeling? Think of your situation where you were tensed earlier at the start of the session. Think of that situation now and tell me, how are you feeling? Are you still feeling that way, or has the intensity gone down? And put it in the chat box. Feeling relaxed? And tell me an intensity number now. 0 being relaxed, free, and 10 being stressful, anxiety. 0, relax, 0. Awesome.